Functions enable AI agents to go beyond static replies by generating dynamic responses using logic, real-time data, and external systems, such as checking an account balance or tracking an order. To get started, go to the canvas and add an AI agent block. Open the desired agent from the list, then click on Add Function and click on Create Function. Now, configure the function by giving the function a name. For example, let's create a function that fetches the status of an order. Next, add the prompt. The prompt tells the agent when and why this function should be called. A clear prompt ensures the function is triggered at the right time for the right intent. After the prompt, configure the handler. The handler decides how the function logic will be executed. You can use an HTTP request to connect with external APIs. This allows the function to fetch or send data to other systems in real time. If you select JavaScript, you can write custom business logic directly inside the platform. This is useful for validations, calculations, or data formatting. For our example, we will use JavaScript to write custom logic. Once writing logic, test the code once before running the function. Once the function is configured, run the function with a sample order ID. Now ask a question with the intent to fetch the order status and check if the function behaves as expected. Testing ensures your function works correctly before using it in live flows. We are getting a correct response. This is how functions enable your AI agent to respond dynamically using real-time data from your systems.